Hello, I will be showing you two BESS storage system with two gensets doing seamless synchronous switching. So on the left hand side of the screen you will see four devices. The two on the left are gensets. The one on the very left is larger. The second one on the right is a slightly smaller genset, about half the size. And there are two BESS systems already taking load. The one discharging 3 kilowatts is the smallest one. The one discharging 8 kilowatts, it's a little bit larger. So let's start up the two gensets while we are talking. So they're from a standstill. I press start. They will be taking a few seconds to start up. So right now we're taking 11 kilowatts. So on a dummy load, on a test load bank. So the two BESS systems is load sharing taking. I'm adding some more load. Right now the load is up to about 30 kilowatts. So the two BESS systems are discharging around 30 kilowatts evenly based on their the nominal power. They are taking their share of the load properly because the one on the right hand side is larger. So now the load is increased to about 52 kilowatts. So the larger BESS is taking 40 kilowatts. The smaller one is taking 12 kilowatts. So I will start to synchronize. So I press the synchronous buttons on the gensets, and the two gensets will start to synchronize to the bus. So the two gensets are trying to look for the synchronous point on the AC side, and they will sync to it. On the right hand side here is ComAp's WindScope software. You can read all the voltages and frequencies and power, etc. that is running. If you wish to look in detail on the right hand side, feel free to do so. Okay, so on the very left, the genset has already synchronized, and because that is a larger genset that is taking 32 kilowatts, and the two BESS systems have decreased their discharging power because the very large genset is taking more load right now. The second genset is taking a little bit longer okay, now it is synchronized and is also taking load. So all four assets, two gensets and two BESS systems are taking load. So to give a bit more detail, the two gensets are running with ComAp InteliGen 4200 controllers, and the two BESS systems are using ComAp's InteliNeo 530 BESS EMS controller, and they're running load sharing. All four devices are running load sharing. The BESS system does not need to switch between VF and PQ for doing a synchronous in and out of the system. All the two BESS systems are running what we call VSG mode. So they don't need any rebooting or restarting. We can just, right away, we can put them online into the bus or take them out at any time, and they will perform properly. So at this time, let's try to take out this BESS as demonstration, the second smaller one. So we press the button, and this after it offloads, it will take zero discharge. And we take out this genset also. We press the breaker button, and it will also off the breaker. And then this genset will be taking zero load also. So right now we're down to one genset on the very far left and one BESS on the very far right, taking all the load, total about 52 kilowatts. Now we resynchronize the second BESS, the smaller one. So this would look for a synchronous point right now. And after finding a synchronous point, it would load up. And then the second genset, we can put it back into the bus. We press the synchronous button, it would try to synchronize and go back. You see the second bus already start to build up the load. It's a proportionate load that is supposed to share, and it's taking 4 kilowatts right now. And the final genset, it will be close to closing the breaker, and so we can see we can easily seamlessly synchronize all the assets to take load, and we can take them off at any time without needing to reboot anything. Thank you very much.